kids, welcome to our video on 3-letter words. Let us see A family words. B-A-T, bat. R-A-T, rat. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. S-A-T, sat. B-A-G, bag. L-A-G, lag. N-A-G, nag. R-A-G, rag. S-A-G, sag. T-A-G, tag. W-A-G, wag. B-A-N, ban. C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. R-A-N, ran. T-A-N, tan. V-A-N, van. S-A-D, sad. D-A-D, dad. B-A-D, bad. H-A-D, had. L-A-D, lad. M-A-D, mad. P-A-D, pad. D-A-M, dam. J-A-M, jam. R-A-M, ram. H-A-M, ham. T-A-P, tap. R-A-P, rap. C-A-P, cap. G-A-P, gap. L-A-P, lap. M-A-P, map. N-A-P, nap. B-A-Y, bay. D-A-Y, day. G-A-Y, gay. H-A-Y, hay. P-A-Y, pay. L-A-Y, lay. S-A-Y, say. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.